Hey y'all, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. I know right now I'm looking rough. It is late. It is 11:23 p.m. I'm about to go to sleep because I gotta go to work in the morning. But I just wanted y'all to see my edges. Now, I did my edges at 7 a.m. this morning. 7 a.m. Probably like 7:01. And my edges have been laid all day. Usually with my edges, when I worked at my old job, I would have a little mirror on my desk so that I could look at my edges to see when I need to like do a re-up and reapply it, make sure that it lays down. Back then I always wanted my edges to be laid, but I would like for my edges to be laid too now, especially if I'm wearing my hair back in like a sleek ponytail or something like that. This is from 7 a.m. today until now. My edges, I have not touched them. I haven't touched them at all since I did them this morning. The hair is still laid. I mean, it's a little bit frizzy, like my hair right here and right there, and a little bit. But overall, this is over 12 hours, way over 12 hours, and my hair is still laid. Like, what? And they're not moving, they're not going anywhere. So I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I did to get my edges to lay literally all day without touching them at all. Keep watching. I look super shiny, my goodness. Okay, I just like washed my face and put shea butter on, so that's why I'm looking extra glistening. Okay, so I didn't do anything special to my hair yet. Well, I do have it in the bun, but I didn't do my edges. I just sprayed my hair with some water and then just put it in a bun, but there's nothing on my edges right now. So this is what I use. I'm gonna be using my favorite edge control, the Even New York edge control, and I'm just gonna put that all over my edges first. Next, I'm going to be using some of my aloe vera gel. I love this stuff. It works so good. And you don't have to use a lot for this. Some people, when they put on their edge control, they use water to give it that extra hold. But I like to use this because sometimes the water just isn't enough for my type of hair. So I'm just going to use a little bit. You don't have to use a lot at all. And this is, I'm using that little bit for both sides. You don't want to saturate your edges, but you want it to be enough to where it's going to hold. I'm going to take my brush and just brush my edges to how I want them to lay. This method alone just works for me, and this is what I usually do every day. But when I want to take it a step further, I'm going to show you what I do next. Okay, so my edges are laid. I don't know what type of design I did. I just swooped them. I usually do like some more swoopage, if that's even a word, but whatever. But it's not hard, it's not sticky, but it does have a great hold to it. But this is the last final step, and I don't do this all the time, but if you're going somewhere and it's going to be hot and you don't want to worry about your edges, you want them to lay, this is what I use. I just take this little can of Tresemme hairspray. It's an extra firm control. So what I do is I do 4 sprays, right here, right here, right here, right here. Let it dry. And that's it. That is what I do to lay my edges. And I promise y'all, my edges lay all day. It's not hard or crunchy, and this method works so well with my hair because my hair doesn't lay down easily. So these three things help my hair so much. If your edges don't lay down easily, definitely try this method and let me know how it works out for you down below. If you have another method that you use, let me know down below. I would love to hear everybody's routine for how they get their ledges, oh my gosh, for how you get your edges to lay all day. I may have to redo my bun because, like I said, I only put water on here, but I didn't want to put any product on my hair because I wanted y'all to see, like, just my edges. So, don't mind the bun right now. But that's basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all on the next video.